Alright guys, Josh from Jimmy Sports Cards here doing a case of National Treasures Hockey 13-14. This is pick your team number 10. 10. Good luck guys. Case. What's up, Chuck? What's going on, man? See hockey, one of my favorites, man. Good luck. Alright, we got one pretty plate, and it's for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Phil Kessel from Contenders, 11-12 Contenders. Yeah, the only thing that's not paid for in the limited is the Giants. That is it. Number 4 of 199, Ryan Suter for the Wild. Ryan Suter, 4 of 199. Base. You got a dual jersey auto for the Sharks, Nick Petrecki. Dual jersey autograph. Next, we got a trios, 16 of 50. For the Senators, Bobby Ryan, Eric Greba, and Craig Anderson. Trios auto. 16 of 50. Nice. Next, we got Timeline Jersey, 38 of 99. Tom Wilson for the Capitals. 38 of 99. Rookie Timeline Jersey. Nice. For the Ducks, Diamond, 2 of 5 for John Gibson. 2 of 5 on the Diamond. Camera doesn't like the diamond, don't want to focus. There we go. 2 of 5. John Gibby. Nice. Next, we got a jersey for the Capitals. Ovi, 82 of 99 on the Ovi. Next, we got for the Edmonton OIlers, 1 of 99. Mark Arcabello, rookie auto. Mark Arcabello. And we got a rookie book. Rookie book. For the Sabres, Zemgus Girgensons patch auto book for the Sabres. That is numbered 30 of 49. 30 of 49. And our last hit is going to be an RPA, 50 of 99, Matt Nieto. 50 of 99. For the Sharks. Matt Nieto. Xbox. That's weird. This one doesn't even have a printing plate. Huh. That's a first. 186 of 199, Patrick Kane. Patrick Kane. And we got a short print base. 25 of 25, Tuukka Rask for the Bruins. Tuukka Rask, 25 of 25, eBay 101. Next we got Brian Trottier for the Islanders, dual jersey autograph. Trottier. Next we got a dual autograph, Steven Weiss and Corey Emerton, 20 of 25. Both for the Red Wings. Corey Emerton and Steven Weiss, 20 of 25. Then we got one of the Seguin sisters, 16 of 99, Tyler for the Stars. $16 of 99. Next we got Austin Watson, 19 of 50, colossal jersey. 19 of 50. Next we got, for the Devils, 3 of 68, 3-color patch, Jaromir Jagr. Nice. For the Devils. Wonder if that's a Pittsburgh Penguin patch there for Jagr. Next we got a book. It is Darcy Cooper in the Wild. Jersey autograph book. Cooper. 14 of 99. And we did get a printing plate. This one's autographed for the Capitals. Chris Brown, 1 of 1. Printing plate autograph for the Capitals. Nice. 1 of 1. Then we got redemption. Rookie Treasures tag. This is numbered to 5, I believe. Dmitry Joskin. Rookie Treasures tag. I believe this is the green parallel. Come on, Dmitry. There you go. Dmitry Joskin. If you guys know offhand the team on this one, not I can look it up later. I know some of you guys will probably know the team on it. Blues, there you go. St. Louis Blues. Rookie Treasures tag number to 5. Nice one. 2 boxes left. We did get a printing plate in this one. Actually got 2. Got for the Rangers and Predators, Shea Weber and Henrik Lundqvist. Lundqvist and Weber, Rangers and Predators. First base, 125 of 199. For the Senators, Craig Anderson. Mr. Anderson. Next we get an RPA, 70 of 99 for the Capitals, Philip Grobert. 70 of 99. Next, we got a jumbo autograph jersey booklet. Jonathan Toews. Jonathan Toews on the booklet. Jumbo autograph jersey booklet. Camera doesn't like redemptions today. There we go. Blackhawks. Appreciate that, Bucker. Next, we got Jonathan Huberdeau, 6 of 25. The Huberdeau Colossal Jersey Autograph. 6 of 25. We got it late, Bucket. This is the one that you are in, man. And then we got a 14 of 25 Bernie Parent Treasured Auto. The Vincenza Trophy. 14 of 25 for the Flyers. Next we got for the Kings, Jonathan Quick, 30 of 50. Go Kings, go. Jonathan Quick, jumbo jersey. Next we got, I believe, for the Kings again. Yes, it is. Rogie Vachon, dual jersey autograph. Nice. Rogie. Couple Kings hits back to back. Then we got timeline patch this time, 24 of 50. Dan Cloutier for the Canucks. 24 of 50, two color on the patch. Next we got another patch. This one's the rookie for the Blackhawks, 42 of 50, Antti Raanta. Two-color patch. Antti Raanta, 42 of 50. And we got Peter Mrazek and Jimmy Howard. Both play for the Red Wings, 88 to 100. 88 to 100. Last box, guys. Good luck, especially those who have not got a hit yet. Let's get you a hit. Got a printing plate in this one. This one. You're showing right now? This is it. First printing plate goes to the Blackhawks. Marcus Kruger, rookie anthology. Blackhawks. Our base is Steve Yzerman, 123 of 199 on the Yzerman. Red Wings. Next, we got a rookie timeline jersey, 88 of 99, Drew Shore. Drew Shore. '88 of 99. Next we got Jacob Zilperberg for the Ducks. This is not for the Senators, for the Ducks. At the bottom there. On the back too for the Ducks. Jacob Zilperberg. Next we got for the Canadiens, nice, triple jersey autograph, Patrick Waugh. Patrick Waugh, triple jersey autograph. for the Canadiens. This card there. Next we got for the Penguins, Marlon Mew, one color patch. 1 of 66, eBay 101. 1 of 66. Yeah, Chris. Next we got for the Sharks, Logan Couture, 3-color patch. 3-color patch from the Couture. $50 of 50 on that one. Next we got for the Ducks, 1, 2, 3-color patch, 8 of 10, Hampus Lindholm. Hampus Lindholm, 3 colors. 8 of 10. Couple hits left. We got Sean Monahan for the Flames. Jersey autograph on the Sean Monahan. 53 of 99. I think the Flames guy was here too. And our last hit of the break, Kevin Connaughton. Wait, say it again. Kevin Connaughton. 63 of 99. 1, 2, 3, 4 color RPA. Dallas Stars. That was a break. Thanks again, guys. No randoms to do on that one. Appreciate it again.